Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. Okay, so for today's video, magdi-discuss tayo ng another worksheet. So numerical ability worksheet number 16B, fraction as part of a whole. So try nyo po munang sagutan. Ayan, i-post nyo muna. May dalawang letter tayo, A, equation na agad, and then itong letter B, solve the following. Ayan. So 20 is 1/3 of what number? Pare-parehas lang yung mga example natin dito na iba lang yung mga number. Puro ayan. 20 is fraction and then of what number? And then sa letter A, puro pare-parehas lang din naman siya. So paano ba sagutan ng ganitong type ng problem? Okay, so kung gusto niyo pong mapanood simula worksheet number 1, punta po kayo sa description. Makikita niyo po doon ang link. Okay, so before we start, gusto ko kayong i-invite sa aking Civil Service Exam Review for Math and Logic via FB Live. 50 pesos only lang po ito. Pero nagsimula na po tayo, nandito na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa session 5. Mamaya yung session 5 ko, July 7 ngayon, 2024. Okay, so pwede pa kayong humabol kasi ito recorded itong session 1 hanggang session 4 recorded yan. And then meron pa tayong natitirang 6 na sessions. So 50 pesos lang po ito, so lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Tapos marami tayong worksheet sa ibang subject. Kagaya ng sa English, general info, tapos may mga additional worksheet din sa math. Okay, so let's start. So sagutan natin ng letter A. Solve the following. So isolve lang natin yung mga variables. So number 1, 15 equals 1/3 times A. So solve natin yung mga variables. So 1/3 times A. So kailangan natin dito, pag nag-solve ng equation, kailangan ang matitira dito sa right side ay itong letter A lang. So ibig sabihin, kailangan nating tanggalin si 1/3. So tandaan nyo lagi sa equality, kaya tinawag na equality yan or equation. Dapat kung anong gagawin mo sa left, gagawin mo din sa right. Okay, so i-rewrite ko lang muna ito. So we have 15 is equal to 1/3 times A. So kailangan kung anong gagawin sa left, gagawin din natin sa right. Ang objective natin dito, tanggalin itong 1/3 para ma-isolate natin si A. So ang gagawin natin doon, i-multiply natin both sides by reciprocal ng 1/3. Ang reciprocal ng 1/3 ay 3/1. So i-multiply yung right side, syempre i-multiply din natin yung left side, so 3/1. Okay, so tandaan nyo, yan lagi yung concept natin sa equality. Kung anong gagawin sa left, gagawin sa right. So ito yung ginawa natin. Tinimes sa 3/1. So yung right, tinimes din natin sa 3/1. So di ba, parehas lang. Kaya nga equality ang tawag dyan. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, kaya natin minultiply sa 3/1 para makancel ito. Cancel na yung 3 sa denominator, 3 sa numerator, tas yung 1 sa numerator at denominator, ang matitira na lang ay A na lang. Okay? So therefore, yan na yung sagot natin. Simplify na lang natin itong left side. 3 times 15, that is equal to, 3 times 15 is 45/1. Or syempre, yung over 1, hindi na, baliwala na yan. 45 divided by 1 is 45 pa rin. So therefore, the answer for number 1 is 45. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple ang gagawin natin. Okay, so next number, erase muna natin. So number 2, 11 equals 1/5 times R. So 11 equals 1/5 times R. So kagaya nung kanina, kailangan matira si R lang. So para matira si R lang, imumultiply natin sa reciprocal ng 1/5. So that is 5/1. Multiply both sides by 5/1. Okay, so cancel na yung 1, cancel na yung 5. Ang natira na lang ay R. And then multiply this 5 times 11, that is equal to 55. And then over 1, so yung 1, pwede na natin hindi isulat ito directly, 55 na yung sagot dyan. Basta 1 yung natira sa denominator, wag na natin isusulat yan para mabilis. Ano? So therefore, the answer is R is equal to 55. So next number, number 3. So we have 85 is equal to 3/5 times J. Okay, so rewrite lang, 85 is equal to 3/5 times J. So again, kailangan matira ay si letter J lang. Paano natin gagawin yon? I-multiply natin both sides by the reciprocal of 3/5. So baliktarin lang natin yan. So we have 5/3. Siyempre, kailangan both sides i-multiply by 5/3. Okay, so now we can cancel 3 and then cancel 5. So J na lang yung natira. So 85 divided by 3, eksakto ba ito? Parang hindi eksakto, no? So wala din namang malo-lowest term dito. So ang gagawin natin, i-multiply na lang natin ito, 5 times 85. Okay, so 85 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 2, so we have 42. So this is equal to 425 over 3 na pwede nating i-convert sa mixed number. So convert natin sa mixed number, i-divide lang natin by long division. 425 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 times 3, that is equal to 12. Subtract, so we have 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So ang remainder ay 2. So therefore, ang final answer na natin, ang value ng J in mixed number ay 141 and the remainder 2 over the divisor 3. So this is the final answer, 141 and 2/3. Okay, so next number, number 4. Tingnan natin. So number 4, we have 9 equals 3/8 times A. 8 times A pala. Okay, so we have 9 equals 3/8 times A. So to solve for A, just multiply by the reciprocal of 3/8. So that is 8 over 3. So both sides lagi. So we have 8 over 3. So we can cancel 3, cancel 8. So ang natira na lang sa right side ay A. Before we multiply this, tingnan nyo muna kung may malolowest term. Malolowest term itong 9 at 3. Divide natin parehas sa 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So bali wala na yung denominator kasi 1. So just multiply the numerator 8 times 3. That is equal to 24. So the correct answer is 24. The value of A is 24. So last number for this letter A. So we have 14 equals 3/5 times Y. So we have 14 equals 3/5 times Y. So multiply by the reciprocal of 3/5. So that is 5 over 3. So multiply both sides by 5 over 3. So cancel out 3 and then 5. So Y na lang ang natira sa right side. So 5 and 14 not divisible by 3. So i-multiply na lang natin ito. 5 times 14. So we have 14 times 5, that is equal to 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, so we have 70. So this is 70 over 3. So reduce na lang natin or convert sa mixed number. Hindi divisible sa 3 yung 70. So may remainder yan. So 70 divided by 3. So we have 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So subtract, we have remainder of 1. So therefore, the value of Y in mixed number is 23, 23, and then the remainder 1. So 1 over 3. So 23 and 1/3 ang value ng Y. Okay, so next part, letter B. So solve the following. 20 is 1/3 of what number? So pag ganito naman, ang gagawin natin, gawan natin ng equation, i-translate word by word. So 20, just write 20. Is means equal sign. So 20 is 1/3. Of means multiplication. What number? Kahit anong number, mag-assign kayo ng variable, letter. So n na lang ang gagamitin ko. So just solve for n. And then kung mapapansin nyo, kagaya na ito ng mga sinolve natin sa part A. So 20 equals 1/3 times n. Solve for n. So multiply lang natin by the reciprocal of 1/3, baligtarin 3 over 1. So multiply both sides by 3 over 1. So cancel out 1 and then 3. So therefore, the value of n is 3 times 20. We have 60 over 1. So 60 na lang siya. So therefore, the answer is 60. So check natin, 20, di ba ang 20 ay 1/3 siya ng 60. So tama, no? Divide natin sa 3 itong 60, ang lalabas ay 20. Okay, so next number, number 2, 62.5 is 1/8 of what number? So i-translate again word by word. 62.5 isulat lang. Is means equal sign. 1/8 and then of means multiplication. what number, mag-assign kayo ng kahit anong gusto nyong variable. So let's say A ang inassign to. Okay? So solve for A. So tanggalin natin si 1/8. So i-multiply natin both sides by reciprocal ng 1/8. So that is 8/1. Or simply 8 na lang. Pwede ng 8 na lang. Okay? So cancel 1 and then cancel 8. Therefore, the value of A is 8 times 62.5. So i-manual lang natin. 62.5 times 8, we have 8 times 5, that is 40. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4, so we have 20. 8 times 6 is equal to 48 plus 2. So we have 50. We have one decimal place tayo. So therefore, move tayo ng isa dito. The final answer is 500. Okay? So the value, so 62.5 is 1/8 of 500. Okay, so next number, number 3. So burahin muna natin. So for number 3, 180 is 3/4 of what number? So we have 180 is 3/4 of multiplication, and then we have what number? So letter N. So multiply lang natin. Kailangan N ang matira. So multiply by the reciprocal ng 3/4. So that is 4/3. So multiply both sides by 4/3. Cancel out 3 and then 4. So therefore, N is equal to, let's check kung pwedeng ma-divide. So pwedeng ma-lowest term ito, 180 divided by 3. So unahin natin yung division. Pag may pagkakataon tayo na pwedeng unahin yung divide, unahin lagi yung division para lumiit yung number. So 18 divided by 3, itong 18 divided by 3 equal na lang yan sa 6. May 0 pa, edi magiging 60. Okay? So now, i-multiply na natin ito. 4 times 6, that is equal to 24. Meron pang 0, edi 240. So the correct answer is 240 for number 3. So next number, number 4. So isa-isahin, 750 is, so that is equal sign, 3/4, and then of means multiplication. What number? Let's say B. Okay? So kahit anong variable lang pwedeng gamitin, ha? Okay, so solve for the variable B. So multiply by the reciprocal of 3/4. So that is 4/3. So multiply both sides by 4/3. So again, try natin kung merong madidivide dito. 750 divisible by 3. Yung 75 divisible by 3, di ba? Ang 75 divided by 3, that is equal to 25. Okay? Meron pang 0, edi 250. So now multiply, madali nang i-mental ito. So apat na 250. So kung may apat na 250 pesos ka, that is 1,000. Okay? So apat na 250 pesos, 1,000. That is our variable B. So 750 is 3/4 of 1,000. Okay, so for our last number, so we have 30 is means equal sign. So just copy 3/7 and then of means multiplication and then what number? Let's say x. 3/7 times let's say x. Or pwede, pag variable, pwedeng idiretso na natin. X na lang yan, no? So wala na nga, pwedeng hindi na isulat yung multiplication symbol. Solve for x. So solve for x, kailangan matanggal si 3/7. Babalik na rin natin. Multiply both sides by 7/3. So that we can cancel 7 and we can cancel 3 sa numerator and denominator. Ayan, x na lang ang natira, yung variable na lang. And then, ayan nga, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, pag may pagkakataon, unahin lagi yung division. So 30, divisible siya sa 3. 30 divided by 3, that is equal to 10. So multiply na natin yung natira. 7 times 10 equals 70. So the number is 70. 30 is 3/7 of 70. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. At kung meron nga pala kayong, kung gusto niyo palang bumili ng reviewer, meron nga pala akong reviewer, punta kayo sa TikTok shop ko. Ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. Ito, nasa TikTok shop ko ito, galing sa Brainbox. Bye-bye. Good luck sa lahat na nagre-review.